Hey guys, it's Mr. Golias, and you are now ready to turn in and make your Flipgrid video. So we're going to go into modules like we did with the Dreamboard, and now we're just doing it in graphic design. So I click graphic design, and you're going to see that now the option shows up. So in the directions it tells you you're doing 3 edits. You have to have your summative banner, and then you're going to have your 2 favorites from challenges 1 to 5. So I went ahead and set mine up. I have challenge 4, challenge 5, and then I have my banner ready to go. So now I just come on back, and all I'm going to have to do is click the record a response. The screen's going to come up, and it's going to show me with my head cut off, but don't worry, we're not showing ourselves, guys. So I click the 3 buttons, and all we're doing is recording the screen. So then it tells me start recording, and once I hit this button, it lets me pick. I'm going to just do this whole screen and click share. It's going to give me a countdown. I move over, it's now recording. So I would walk through, say why I chose this one, come through here, say why. Now make sure I'm showing my layers. Same thing in this one, where you can see the different layers and they should be named. Same thing here where they're named properly. And then same thing here where I have my lightning, my name, and I would say why. This is the summative, so I would just say something I like about it. So I can either give something I like about it or something that challenged me. That's it. That's all we're doing on this. Once we're done, I can come back and hit stop recording. Now you'll notice on here, my process, that was 40 seconds, and I was doing extra talking in this. My guess is most people's presentations are going to be somewhere between 25 and 35 seconds. They're not meant to be long. They're not meant to be difficult. You do not need your video on for this. We're just seeing your screen, so we'll hear your voice. I hit the next button. I get to do my selfies. I always enjoy doing these. I'm a weirdo. There's mine. Yes, I'm a weird guy. I'm okay with that. And then it will upload like so. Then you would just put your first name and last name. Oh no, I was doing Jimenez. White Sox. That's all I need to do. I click submit. I get the celebration. Life is good. I can click complete. And that's all you do. You can go ahead and do yours now. Good luck.